Eloy?
Yes.
Hey, sir. Officer Veer.
Yeah.
How are you? All right. Just want to start off. Do you know any reason why I would want to talk to you?
No, not at all.
No? Okay. So we're investigating a stolen wallet
Okay.
here at the airport.
Absolutely.
Okay. You know anything like that?
Yeah, I retrieved the wallet and I found it. I put it in my locker.
You found a wallet?
Yeah, it was a guy's wallet, but I was gonna make sure that the manager's in it.
Okay. Did you notify anybody about it?
No, I haven't noticed none of my managers.
Okay. All right. In that case, yeah.
He found it and put it in his locker. Why didn't he report it to his supervisor then? Huh? Just an average, everyday crook.
Let's go get it. Okay.
This was found.
Okay. Did you
I didn't take anything.
did you go up through it or anything?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Why didn't you notify a supervisor?
Well, I was basically, but I was busy working. This is mine.
That's what?
This is mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, I was too busy working, so I didn't have any time, so I was running back and forth and stuff like that. So I didn't get to basically go ahead and give it to the manager.
Mm-hmm.
So
All right. Well, it kind of puts us in a rock and a hard place
okay.
because, you know, it's in your locker, your stuff's in it, so that tells me you went through it, you opened it, at least,
Okay.
all that. Would you be willing to come back to the station and provide a statement to us?
I don't want to really actually write a statement for anything. I mean,
Well, I'm trying to afford you that opportunity because it's just a little weird to us.
okay. Yes, sir.
I wish you would have told the supervisor and then kind of
Yeah, but I was
reported
just-
it, and then we wouldn't even be talking to you right now.
Right. No, but I was busy. That's the whole purpose.
Have you ever had a dream that you had you want.
What the fuck are you talking about?
What's your policy on lost and found?
We have to retrieve it to our managers. We have to let our managers know that we have it. But I was basically working around and doing everything that I needed to do.
Where did you pick it up at?
It was over there by the. It's considered the. It's by like Qdoba. It was on a seat.
Mm-hmm.
So I picked it up. I said, okay, cool. And then I was so busy running around the airport and basically helping out associates and when I came out.
Let's go back and just get a statement from
Yeah,
you.
let's get a statement, man.
We'll talk about it further down there.
You're good.
Just follow me over. We're just gonna come right in here, man.
Appreciate you.
Just have a seat up here. All right. So I need you to fill out a statement here. Fill it out to the best of your ability. You have a pen?
No, no.
Pen. Okay. And before you do that, I gotta read you your rights because I gotta ask you some follow-up questions. And
No problem.
by reading your rights, I gotta let you know. It may elicit a criminal response. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to consult an attorney with you, make any statement or answer any question. You have the right to have an attorney present during questioning. If you want an attorney but cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before and during questioning free of charge. You may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning. You may stop the interview at any time.
Okay.
Do you understand these rights?
Yep. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Are you willing to answer any questions, make any statements without an attorney being present?
No, not at all.
Okay. Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or promised you anything to cause you to answer any questions or make any statements?
Not at all, sir.
Okay. So you don't want to make a statement?
I mean, unless I'm being booked for something necessarily, I won't want to answer any questions necessarily.
Okay.
Because right now it seems like you're charging me for finding something.
No, I'm just trying to ask you questions and all that.
Right.
I can't ask you anything further.
But you already offered me a statement. I mean,
Yeah,
obviously,
I'm asking you to do a statement.
Right, I have to
all
write
that.
a statement, but it seems like if you have to read my rights, then most likely I'm
Yeah, well, I want to ask you some more questions, that type of thing.
Okay.
But before I do that, I got to read you your rights, and you got to understand. You got to be willing to cooperate. Talk to me.
Right, but if I'm gonna get questioned any further, I'd rather ask for my lawyer. If
Okay.
I'm charged with anything. So,
Okay. All right.
appreciate you.
Do you want to fill out a statement then?
I mean, yeah, I could just
Okay.
state that I found this wallet.
All right. Now, what I'm going to ask you to do is stand up, turn away from me, and put your hands behind your back. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You need 2 sets of cuffs?
No, I got it,
They're good.
yeah. My orange.
Unfortunately, man, I wish you would have made contact with your supervisor and notified them. We wouldn't even be in this position right now.
Yeah, but I mean, obviously, like your managers. I mean, I'm not mad at the situation and stuff like that. I didn't do anything necessarily. All I did was retrieve it. But if
But
I'm
the problem
busy,
is it's in your possession and somebody reported it stolen,
Right.
and your stuff is in it.
it's stolen, but it's not. I didn't steal anything. I mean, I was working, so I didn't have the chance to get it to my managers.
Thing also is that the information desk is right there on the transfer level, and you could have handed it to them or somebody else and been like, I found this wallet, here it is. And then obviously you were on break, so we know you took your break and you didn't hand it in at that time.
No, I have short concentration, so I basically was running around.
Everything's going to go into property, and that's.
No, you're good.
Okay.
That's
All right. You just turn. Can you open your mouth? Stick your tongue out. So. Okay.
I just want to make sure.
139.
Yeah. So it'll be in our lost and found office here. So when you get released, you can come to the lost and found, and it'll be in our storage
So
here.
how will my manager know if I'm being booked or anything?
We're going to make contact with them and
Okay.
let them know. All right.
Yeah, but this is. I mean, what am I not being charged for?
It's going to just be petty theft.
Petty theft.
Yeah.
And even if the associate, even if the customer or the client finds it, then I'm still gonna be charged with petty theft. So if they go to court and they charge and they say
It's in your possession, man. They reported it
I
stolen.
no, I understand that it's
And then
petty theft.
they
I get it.
watched you,
I
came
get
to
it.
grab it. You just failed to report it.
I get
That's the
it. Yeah,
problem.
that's the whole situation. I understand that. I'm not like a criminal in the sense I'm being booked for petty theft, but I mean, I just want to make sure my stuff is straight.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'll be
Definitely.
right outside in our office out here.
Okay.
So
All right.
once you get back, just go to the lost and found, and they'll have it all down there.
That's mine.
Yep.
That's the
Yeah. This is all
She's going to
coming
take
out.
care of all that, all right?
It's gonna get in on the other side and buckle you in.
Yeah, go ahead. Petty theft. Nigga said it made it seem like he just stole a brick. Like what? Black man, right? Young black. He just said, I just found that shit. I didn't get a chance to go over there to give it away. Wait, I found that bitch. I'm like, oh, okay, here. The money's still in the pocket. I just put my stuff in.
So for $200 and a bunch of credit cards, he probably lost a really good paying job. But that's a fair trade-off. You know, people just don't think sometimes. Think. You got a brain. Use it.
Just to make sure that he got his shit. So they thought he was gonna leave with it. So they're trying to catch it. It's your locker. Technically, they wasn't even able to go in there. He just said what they did. So what was the story behind the whole thing? The wallet.
What'd you say?
What was the whole story behind the whole wallet situation? So you guys had to go over to the location and say, hey, somebody reported it stolen, so my manager showed you guys the videos, and then you guys came and approached me.
No, we watch videos ourselves, so we can see everything on it. And then we figured out where...
So when a person says, oh, my stuff is stolen, he just reports it and say, hey, this is where I left it.
Yeah, so then we went and looked, and there was
and you saw me.
There.
You had to see me.
We did, and that's how we found you.
Right. Yeah. It's like short of a goal. If I would have just gave it to them, they would have been like, home run, you guys got it. Well, not me. That's the whole purpose of it. If it would have made it to my office, it would have been straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fact that there's such a huge time lapse doesn't help anything else.
Nah, it doesn't really matter. I mean, the judge says that. The judge gets to see it.
We're just doing our job, and then the judge does his portion.
Yeah. I know. I'm not really. It's petty theft. And the federal building, they're like, well, it's petty theft.
Control 134.
It's still petty theft. They're like, okay, petty theft. First charge. Never got in trouble? No. They're going to put me on probation.
Jail, 30 mileage, 160.
He's right. Yo, this shit is like,
Now,
I gotta find another job! No! I'm out of here!
Once you talk to the judge, they could be like, oh, maybe it was a mistake.
No, it is. Because the thing about it is, when you think about it, it is a mistake. But I said it like, it's not like I just found cocaine on me. Like, that's why when the judge's going to look at it like, okay, I'm a federal judge. What is the situation? Okay, cool. Case number such and such. What was the whole item? Petty theft. It's a pocketbook with $135 or $150. Oh, really? Okay. Sir, do you know the severity of your crime? Yes, sir. No, sir. And I know my rights. So obviously, like, you're not gonna sentence me to like 7 years in prison. Sorry, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. No, I get it. I get it. I lost a job, but it's not gonna make me like go to jail, like prison. If y'all would have found a gun, then I'd have been like, oh my God! I'd have been shook and I'm like, oh snap. That's a